Rational Team Concert presents using the Enterprise Extensions Package and Deployment feature. This video demonstrates how to package build outputs and deploy the outputs to container and runtime environments. We have set up a sample project that includes package and deployment definitions, a build engine, and sample artifacts. Right-click the existing package definition to see details. On the Overview tab, select the build engine used to run the package build. On the Packaging tab in the Application section, the parameters of the application that will be packaged are defined. In the Package section, the package root directory is specified. That is the directory where the package will be created. In this video, the Complete Package option is selected to define a full package. Note that you must select Complete Package option the first time a package is created. For subsequent packages, if you do not select the Complete Package option, the package will be an updated package. The directory to a ship list file is also defined. In this example, the ship list file is a mandatory file on the build machine that specifies which files from the build must be included in the package archive. In this example, the ship list file filter uses a PDS container and indicates that all members in this PDS will be packaged. Right-click the package definition and select Create Package to run a package. Select the Open Summary Work Item option and submit the request. The summary work item for the package is opened. The Links tab lists the links to the artifacts associated with the package, including the packaging result. On the Downloads tab, depending on the Publish option selected on the package definition, the different outputs are shown. The Package Summary tab shows all the output objects that have been packaged. Right-click the existing deployment definition to see details. On the Overview tab, select the build engine that is supported on the machine the package is deployed to. On the Deployment tab in the Package section, the package definition is selected to help determine what will be deployed. The deploy is defined as complete if the package created previously was defined as complete. In the Load section, there are two ways to indicate how to deploy the package. In this case, the deployment via FTP is selected. If the FTP mode is selected, a hostname, a user ID, and a password file must be specified for the machine that contains the package. The local package root directory is specified. That's the directory where the package will be loaded on the deployment machine. The remote package root directory is specified. That is the directory where the package was created. In this sample, in the deployment section, a directory to a container mapping file is defined. The container mapping file is an option to restore objects to a different location on the deployment machine than the one they were originally saved from on the package machine. This is the content of the container mapping file. The source and target containers are defined here. Right-click the deployment definition and select Request Deployment. By default, the deployment type Load and Deploy is selected. Select the Open Summary Work Item option. Then submit the request. The summary work item for the deployment is opened. The Links tab lists the links to the artifacts associated with the deployment, including the deployment result. On the Downloads tab, depending on the Publish option selected on the deployment definition, different outputs are shown. The Deployment Summary tab shows all the output objects that have been deployed. This concludes the demo on using the Enterprise Extensions Package and Deployment feature. For more information and videos, please visit www.jazz.net.